Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Max 90. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So this box is a pair of Nike Air Max 90 shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the Anthracite, smoke grey, light smoke grey, Photon Dust colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the packing paper to reveal the Nike Air Max 90 in the Anthracite smoke grey, light smoke grey, Photon Dust colourway. Let's lift out the pair from the box and set them on the tabletop. Just closing the box back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop. So giving you a look at the pair together side by side before I start handling it. And now just setting the right shoe in the background on the right as we focus in on the details of the left shoe. So giving you a close-up look at the left shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and initial look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. Okay, and now taking a much closer in look at the shoe's details, so we can see the tonal design of the colorway having a dark to light color on the upper from the sole with the black rubber sole and midsole fading into a much lighter hue towards the vamp or toe box area with that photon dust or silvery metallic color to that textile toe box material. And we can see the leather qualities as well, with the middle layer with that very fine suede in that smoke grey color. And of course on the mudguard there is a coarser but super fine what appears to be a suede mudguard on the outermost panel. So giving you a close-up look at its details right throughout across the several layers of the shoe. And of course we can see the light smoke grey TPU used for the lower lace eye stay right there, and of course contrasting against the darker anthracite eye stay at the top, also in TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane. And with the swoosh we can see sandwiched between the smoke grey and anthracite panels, it does have a retro reflective quality. Same with this panel right there with the Air Max branding in that mudguard cutout or window. So retro reflective panel right there, as well as the Nike swoosh. And with the midsole wedge we can see on the inner side the light smoke grey structure details within the Air Max airbag cushioning. And as we take a look at the back of the shoe we can see the light details of the Nike Air branding on the TPU heel tab or back tab. And as we move towards the inner side of the shoe, so once again we see those tonality or fading details from the dark black midsole and rubber waffle sole towards the lighter shades of photon dust or kind of a metallic silver of the textile or fabric vamp and quarter details. So even on the inner side the Nike swoosh as well as the Amex panel are both retro-reflective. And back towards the front of the shoe once again, and giving you a close-up look at the textural qualities that make up the upper of the shoe. Now taking a look from the front toe or tip of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back, you can see the details along the length of the shoe. So you can see a small Nike swoosh embroidered in a silver finish or thread embroidery on that smoke grey suede eye stay bottom, and just taking the paper stuffing out from the shoe so we have a better look around the inside details of the shoe as well as the tongue details. So we can see the Nike and Amex branding on the square patch, and of course with the tongue lightly padded but very thick and puffy, as you can see. And of course taking a look behind the tongue with its tongue label right there, and inside shoe details, and with the laces we can see there are some dotted lines in the lace weave pattern, and giving you a look at the aglets as well. Okay, so just pulling that to the side so we have a better look on the inside of the shoe to give you a sense of the lining as well as the collar padding with the ankle and heel collar. So with a medium level of firmness throughout and a medium level of thickness as well. So giving you a look on the inside of the shoe with the Nike Air branding in black on that light smoke grey insole or sock liner, and giving you of course a look at the material sticker as well, or composition sticker that's on the insole right there. And now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe, we can see the black rubber waffle sole, black throughout, and to give you some sense of the rubber waffle sole, just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping with my fingernail as well. So right there giving you an overall look at this Nike Amex 90, and let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of its firmness, stiffness or pliability. And now just stretching and puffing the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down and in the background so it doesn't interfere as we focus in on the right side of this Nike Amex 90 in the Anthracite smoke grey, light smoke grey Photon Dust colourway. And of course we're doing a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that full and clear initial look. And of course taking a look at the detail, so once again we see the tonality with the dark fading out to a lighter shade of silver and even light smoke grey on the TPU eye stay on the lowest or bottom of the laces. And once again, as I mentioned earlier, retroreflective details for the panel within the mudguard window as well as the Nike swoosh itself on the inside as well as the outer sides of the shoe. And of course the airbag details with that light smoke grey or pale grey structure around the Nike airbag. And of course taking a look at the tongue patch as well. So once again, same details right throughout. And this time, a slightly clearer look on the inside with the paper stuffing out and no material sticker on this side. So better look around the inside details of this Nike Air Max 90. And of course, with the sole or bottom, once again, that black rubber waffle sole. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. And over here, I have a Thorfire PF03 torch, which I've unboxed a very long time ago on this YouTube unboxing channel. Let's turn it on and see if we can see the retro reflective details on the shoe. So swoosh, as well as the mudguard window with those retro reflective qualities. And I'll just set that shoe to the back so you can see, if not on the front pair, but also on the back pair as well. So that's the Nike Air Max 90. Thanks for watching and happy walking!